In this specific video of QBasic for beginners, I'll be showing you how to find out the greatest among two number and smallest among two number in QBasic. If you are beginner, just watch the previous videos of QBasic so you can understand how to write QBasic programs in very easiest way. You can follow this playlist to learn QBasic. If you are new, just subscribe to my channel and follow along with the series of video. Let's go to the screen and let's see how to solve this problem. Which is easy to use. We can copy program, paste it here, and you can test the program whether that is working or not. Now today's program is to find out smallest among two numbers. Let's say numbers are 2 and 3. These are the two numbers. So which is smaller? 2 is smaller than 3. How you know that? Because you compare this 2 with 3. Is 2 smaller than 3? Yes, 2 is smaller. So 2 is the smallest number among these two numbers. So basically requirement for this program is we need two numbers. So first of all, I'll write here CLS to clear the data of the output screen, and then I'll write here input because we need two numbers. I will take two values, enter any two numbers, and I will store that number in a comma b variable. These are two numeric variable which is used to store the two values. First value will be stored in a, second value will be stored in b. So we have to compare. So I will use here if a less than symbol b. A less than b means first value less than second value. If first value less than second value, then print a semicolon is smaller. Else if first value is not smaller than second value, then we have to print b, that is second value is smaller. We have used here if, so we have to write end if and end. Basically we check the condition. If first value a greater than second value, that is b. If a less than b, that means first value less than second value, then a first value is smaller, else second value is smaller. So let's run the program and check whether that is working or not. And after this I will show you how to check greatest among two number by making simple changes in this program. In this if statement, just think about it, what is the changes we have to do to find out greatest among two number. Simple, in this line only. Now program is executed. Okay, here is the output screen. Enter any two number a comma b. So I will enter value 10 comma 12 comma 10. For two values we have to keep here comma. 10 is smaller. Yeah, this is giving correct output. 10 less than first value is 12. 12 less than 12, 10, second value is 10. So condition is false because this 12 is greater than this. Else b is smaller, that is 10 is smaller. So this is printing. Let's run the program again and enter 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. 2 is smaller. A store the value 2 and b store the value 3. So a means 2 less than b means 3. 2 less than 3, condition is true. So a is smaller, that is 2 is smaller, it is printed here. So in this way it works. Now to find out the greatest among two number, we have to change this symbol to greater symbol, and we have to change this message to greater. 2 is greater and greater. So a greater than b, then a is greater, else b is greater. So let's run the program and enter the values. And after this program, in the next video I'll be showing you how to check greater among three number in QBasic. So 12, 30. 30 is greater. Let's run the program again and I will enter different value. 14 comma 2. 14 is greater. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button and share with your friends. Have a good day and see you in the next video.